Hello everyone, welcome back to Nadia's Creative Cooking. Today I have a delicious eggplant lasagna recipe for you guys. This is the perfect recipe for those of you who are watching your carb intake. Let's get started. I have 4 large eggplants. I'm going to remove the skin. Now that all the eggplants are peeled, I slice them up. My slices are pretty thick because I need to be able to handle them without them falling apart. Next, I put some parchment paper in a baking sheet. I already sprayed the paper with cooking oil. I place the eggplant slices in the baking sheet. I sprinkle some salt over it. Next, I spray some cooking oil over it. Then I bake it for about 20 minutes in a 400-degree oven. Now, let's prepare the meat sauce. I have some oil in a pan. I'm about to saute some onions. I place the meat in there. I give it a good stir. Next, I put some dry herbs and dry seasoning, which will be in the description box below. I add some minced garlic. Next, I add the tomato sauce. Add some water and give it a stir, and that's it for the meat sauce. Now let's prepare the cheese mixture. I put 2 eggs in a bowl, then I add the ricotta cheese, mozzarella cheese, and Parmesan cheese. Make sure you save some cheese for later. I give it a good stir. I also add some chopped garlic and basil in there, but I forgot to record that part. Now that the eggplants are nice and soft, let's put the lasagna together. It's the same process from my previous lasagna recipe. I add some meat sauce at the bottom of the baking sheet. I place the eggplant slices in there. Next, I spread some of the cheese mixture over it. Make sure all the slices are covered with the mixture. Then I add more sauce and repeat the process. If you guys like the video, please subscribe to the channel and be part of the family. We have some wonderful recipes coming. I finish it up with some cheese on top. And bake it in a 350-degree oven for about 20 minutes. Et voila! This is so delicious, guys. Go try this recipe. And always be creative in your cooking.